Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So in today's video, we're going to do a wash and style routine using only products from Cantu Beauty. These are some products I've had in my stash for a while and wanted to try out. So I'm like, let me go ahead and record it for the girls, okay? So before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, and drop a comment down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So my hair, listen, it was more than time for wash day, okay? So I was so hyped to get in the shower and wash my hair this day. But the first thing that I'm going to do, if you guys know me, if you guys watch my wash day routines, the first thing that I always do is I saturate my hair with water. Water is our hair's favorite, our hair's most important humectant. So before you start any wash day, any wash day, you want to make sure that you take the time to moisturize and saturate your hair with water. My hair was super dry this wash day, super tangled. So you guys are going to see what I do to help with that. But you guys, make sure that you saturate your hair with water. Water helps to moisturize our hair, and we need all the moisture that we can get, especially during colder months in the winter. So make sure that you do that first. But since my hair was also very tangled as well as dry, I went in with my Felicia Leatherwood brush and detangled my hair before I went in and did my shampoo step. The reason that I did this is because, you know, when you shampoo, you kind of just rubbing your hair all over. You're not paying attention to really like detangling your hair necessarily within the shampoo step. So whenever my hair is like super tangly, I like to go in and just give my hair a brief detangle before I go in and shampoo my hair. So I went ahead and took my Felicia Leatherwood brush. In case you guys don't know, this is my favorite brush, black owned brush. Got it from Amazon. I'll link it down below. But I just went in and detangled my hair from ends to roots. You want to make sure that when you're detangling, you're doing it from the ends to the roots, okay? So after I went in and detangled my hair using my Felicia Leatherwood brush, I just went in and provided my hair with a little bit more moisture with the water, just to make sure that, you know, everything was nice and smooth sailing after I had went in and detangled my hair. But yeah, so the products we're going to be using in today's video are all from Cantu. The shampoo and conditioner, my first time using, and the styling product is my holy grail, but it's from the brand Cantu. So I was like, let me go ahead and throw her in. So that is the deal with today's video. I've had them for a while, but I finally decided to pull them out of my stash and just see what it had to do for the girls, what it has to offer. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with Cantu Beauty's shampoo from their avocado line. This is their avocado hydrating shampoo, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that to cleanse my hair. I just went in and applied it all over my hair. As I was applying the shampoo to my hair, I did feel some types of way, okay? I ain't even gonna lie. From the jump, I'm like, something don't really feel right. Like, feel me? If y'all know me, y'all know that what I look for in a shampoo is a shampoo that is going to cleanse my hair as well as moisturize my hair or not strip my hair of its natural nutrients. So as soon as I put the shampoo in my hair, it felt like drying, and also my hair felt like stringy, strawy. I don't really know how to explain it, but you guys are gonna see towards the end of me shampooing what I meant by that. But my hair just felt strange. Like, it didn't feel like it was moisturizing my hair at all. I didn't really feel like a cleansing effect from the shampoo either. So I was kind of sus, okay? From the jump, I'm just like, something don't feel right. I don't feel like things are gonna come out right. And mama knows best, right? So I went in, I just shampooed my hair. I made sure to focus on my scalp because I told you guys that my hair was really, really dirty before I did this wash day. So I wanted to make sure that I got a good cleanse. And I don't know if I really got that from the shampoo, but that's all I'm gonna say. So after I shampooed, I went ahead and rinsed the shampoo out using agua per usual. And I did want to say that I didn't really enjoy this shampoo. My hair felt very stripped, very naked, very raw, and I don't like that from a shampoo. So if that's something that you don't mind from a shampoo, then you may very well so enjoy this shampoo. But necessarily for me, and what I look for in a shampoo is something that is going to cleanse my hair as well as moisturize it, or at least not strip it of its natural nutrients. And I feel like I completely lost everything after the shampoo. So I don't know if it's because my hair was very dirty, equally. I'm not sure if it was the previous product that I had in that didn't mix well with the shampoo, but it was a no for me. So then I went in with the conditioner from the avocado line. This is Cantu Avocado Moisturizing Conditioner, and this conditioner as well as the shampoo claim to have no sulfates. So I went in and applied the conditioner. Usually when I have a bad shampoo, I feel like the conditioner usually pulls through and saves the day, but I did not get that from this conditioner. Okay, I'm just going to be 100% honest. And with this conditioner, I wanted to use it as like a deep conditioner because this line didn't come with a deep conditioner, and I felt like I needed that today. So what I did is I applied the conditioner to my hair and allowed it to sit in for 10 minutes as I would usually do with a deep conditioner. I've done this with a lot of conditioners in the past and I've had zero problems, because if you think about it, a conditioner should be able to act as a deep conditioner, right? Deep conditioners probably have more ingredients that will sit into your hair if you leave it on longer. But either way, I was like, let me go ahead and leave it as a deep conditioner for 10 minutes and see what it do. So after I put the conditioner in, I went ahead and detangled using my Felicia Leatherwood brush just to make sure that the product was distributed equally amongst my hair. And also, as I mentioned at the beginning, I gave my hair like a brief detangle using the brush. I didn't really go in and detangle, if that makes sense. So when I did this step, I made sure to take my time and actually ensure that my hair was nice and detangled. So that's what you guys see me doing here. But I really like to detangle as I have my conditioner, a deep conditioner in, just to make sure the product is spread and the hair is nice and detangled. Okay, so after I detangle my hair using my Felicia Leatherwood brush, this is what my hair is looking like. It did feel good though, I will say that, but I went ahead and just put a plastic cap on my head so that I can let it sit in my hair for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I came back to rinse that conditioner slash deep conditioner out of my hair. And when I tell y'all, I had to say it 3 times just so that you guys knew. Y'all know I'm serious. Y'all know I'm about business, okay? So after I came back after 10 minutes and rinsed the conditioner slash deep conditioner out of my hair, my hair was so dry. I was so confused. I'm like, why is my hair so dry? I let the conditioner sit on my hair for 10 minutes and my hair just felt, I don't want to say like straw, but it just didn't feel good. It didn't feel good. And I know that avocado has protein in it, but I didn't leave it on my hair long. I left it on for 10 minutes. So maybe the 10 minutes was too long. Maybe they just wanted us to put it on real quick and rinse it off. Y'all know I'm the queen of not reading instructions, but I do know that avocado has protein in it. I'm very much so aware of that. But the way that my hair felt was like really, really bad. Like, I've used protein treatments before. I've used shampoos that have some protein ingredients and properties to them, and I've never experienced this before. So this is just my honest opinion. Y'all may not feel the same way, but I just wanted to come on and let y'all know exactly how I felt about the shampoo and conditioner, because as I mentioned before, this was my first time using the shampoo as well as the conditioner, and I really wanted to give you guys my honest thoughts and reviews. I thought that this was going to be a-okay. I thought this was going to be a smooth sailing wash day routine because these products are super affordable, so I was hoping to, bring that aspect as a plus, which is still a plus, the price, but at the same time, we want to make sure that we're paying for something that is actually going to work. So this is what my hair looked like after I rinsed it out. Now I'm going to go in and style using my go-to Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream. If y'all know me, y'all know exactly how I feel about this repair cream. This is my go-to for a good, fluffy, voluminous, moisturized twist out. And that is the style I'm doing today. I wanted to do a quick little twist out just to, put my hair away for a while and then take it out and be able to, see my hair looking nice and scrumptious. So whenever I do twist outs with the repair conditioning cream, this is the only product that I use. I never mix it with like a leave-in. I never mix it with like a heavier styler. I feel like it's the equal medium of like a leave-in as well as a styling product, which is another reason I love it. The price, another reason I love it. This is like $4 or $5 at Target, so you can't really beat it, okay? So I like to do my twist outs in the shower too, just so that I don't make too much of a mess outside of the shower. And I took a good shower this day, so that's why y'all see the steam, but it's about to clear up in a few. But I like to apply the product to a whole like row of my head, and then go in and separate that into either 2 or 3 twists depending on how much hair I have in each section. But within each quad of my hair, I probably do a good 6 to 7 twists. So just to give you guys an idea of how I section my hair when I do twist outs. If you guys want a more specific video on how I do twist outs, then comment down below and I'll definitely give that to you guys, because I know that when you start off doing twist outs, it could be a struggle. So I'm trying to provide you guys with as many detailed videos about twist outs as I can. So just comment with any questions you guys have, and I am working on something to bring to my channel to help y'all out, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but my twist came out really good. You know, I love this product. I know this product, so I wasn't really, looking to see what could be offered. The only thing that I was interested in, which we'll see later, is kind of how this product pairs with the conditioner, and you guys will see why soon. But overall, I really love this styling product. If you guys are looking for an affordable product to do twist outs with, if you're starting off, then I would highly recommend this repair conditioning cream. Cantu, if you're watching this, never ever change the formula of this cream, because it is big. I've been using it for so long now and I love it. But this is how my twists look after I went in and twisted my whole head. Nice and juicy. They look good. A little bit of a cast, which was kind of concerning, but let's move into me taking my twist down. Okay guys, so today is a Wednesday. It's a Wednesday night, and I had these twists in since Sunday, so I'm finally gonna go ahead and take them down. So today's gonna be like day 1 here, and then I'll show you guys the after. Hopefully my so gassy, my skin is like peeling, purging, all of that. I did my facial on Monday, so that's kind of the reason why I wasn't like too motivated to take these twists out, because girl, after I do my facials, I just be in the house chilling. But I'm just taking my twists out and separating my hair where it naturally separates. So I'm just gonna do that to my entire head. Girl, it is a no. Okay, this went completely insane. I'm gonna put my hair up because you guys see it looks crazy, and I don't want to be on camera with y'all looking like this. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, let's get into the tea. So from Cantu's Avocado line, I use their shampoo and their conditioner. Both of these are a no for me. So the shampoo, I felt like it stripped my hair of its natural nutrients. I haven't used a shampoo that I don't like in a while, so when I put this on my hair, I honestly already knew what time it was. My hair just felt stringy, it just felt like naked, and also it just felt like plasticky, rubbery. I don't know if you guys ever experienced that, but this shampoo is a no. It claimed to be hydrating. It did not do that at all. It claimed to moisturize and soften the hair. I didn't get that, so this shampoo is a no for me. Then the conditioner, as you guys saw, I used the conditioner and I used it as like a deep conditioner, you could say. I just kept it on my hair for 10 minutes and rinsed it off, which I do with a lot of other conditioners, and I never have a problem with it. This one, it took me a while to like rinse it out of my hair, and even after I rinsed it off, I still felt like I had like a cast on my hair. But I was just like, F it, I'm running up my water bill. This water needs to come off. So I probably rinsed my hair out for like a good 10 minutes, and I still felt like this conditioner left a cast on my hair. So it's a no for me. And then I went in and styled with my Holy Grail Cantu product. This is how I know that things went wrong. If y'all know me, if y'all follow me on Instagram, you guys know that this Cantu leave-in conditioning cream is my go-to. I use it. I'll go ahead and put pictures here of previous twist outs that I achieved just using this leave-in conditioner repair cream. and I never had problems with it. I never had flakes. I never had any of that. My hair is always like voluminous. It be giving. It gives the girls what the girls need to be given. When I took my twist down just now, I don't know if you guys could see it on my shirt really, but I experienced so much flaking. That's how I knew that something was wrong, because this product never ever 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 gives me flakes. So the fact that I experienced that, I knew that the cast from this conditioner was real. So shampoo and conditioner is a no for me. This conditioning cream is my go-to. Y'all know how I feel about this cream if you guys been on my channel for a while. So I know that this was not the problem. Listen, if y'all know me, y'all know how I feel about this cream. The girls be talking they sugar honey iced tea about Cantu, and I always say this conditioning cream is bae. I've been using this since I was transitioning from heat damage hair, and it's been holding me down since then. So I know that this cream was not the problem. I believe that this conditioner and the cast that it left, or the shampoo plus the conditioner, whatever concoction it is to my hair, just wasn't good. So that is my wash day. It didn't come out as I thought it would, but thankfully I don't have nowhere to go besides my bed. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this wash and style day. It didn't exactly go as I intended, but such is life. What can I do? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys respect and accept my honesty, because I don't really know how to lie. Like, I don't. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and before you guys head out, make sure you guys subscribe, comment, thumbs up. Leave down below if you guys tried this line from Cantu before, what you guys thought of it. If you guys do still plan on trying it out, let me know in the comments down below. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later.